So how to avoid hallucinations in AI? So number one thing is make sure you're able to use the latest models. So hallucinations were a very serious problem in the early AI models. So if you think back 2 years ago, 3 years ago, 1 year ago, in the latest AI models, so like Opus 4.6, for example, or GPT 5.4 or Gemini 3, the hallucination rates have dropped dramatically. And so sometimes people who are afraid of hallucination are remembering those older models, or maybe they're not able to take advantage of the latest advances. They're still stuck on an older generation, which has those issues. So that's the first piece. And that actually largely resolves this issue. It was a temporary thing. But then the other piece is hallucinations now come from a lack of information. So let's say I ask you a question, hey, where did this defect come from in a factory? The AI model has no idea of that answer. It's not built into the model. It's a reasoning device. It knows how to answer questions. So the best way to make sure you're able to avoid hallucinations is control what data the AI has to make decisions based on and what thought process it's supposed to use. So just like for a person, if you ask them, where does this defect come from? And they just answer off the top of their head, of course you shouldn't believe that. Same with AI. You say, don't answer off the top of your head. That's going to be wrong. Here's what you do. You go to the MES first, look through the product route data, then actually drill down like this. Here's the thought process to follow. Here's the training that we give a quality engineer in our factory. Follow that same process. Explain what you did. And when you prompt an AI in the right way, give access to reliable data, have it explain its reasoning, it actually has a very low hallucination rate, especially when you're using the latest models. It's no longer a primary concern like it was maybe 1 or 2 years ago.